Hey guys, wanted to do a real quick video on my LG French door refrigerator. It's 28.8 cubic feet. It's got dual ice makers, so there's an ice maker in the freezer as well as one in the door, which I'm going to show you that real quick before I show you the temperature. You've got all different selections here. Let's light this thing up and show you. You can control the temp, air freshener, ice, and it makes ice faster in both of them by turning this on and off. And then you can completely turn the ice makers off here if you want to. Door alarm, and then you can lock all this out so it can't be changed. But first thing I'll show you, we'll drop some ice down in there. So there's your cubed ice. Just switch this over to crushed ice. Does an excellent job with both. And then up top here, you pop right here for water. So there you go, ice and water. And I'll grab my temperature gun and show you real quick. Right in between those two red dots, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement. It's about 63, 64 degrees Fahrenheit. You can see a little F there on the outside. So we'll go ahead and open this up. I'll shoot this right inside here. You can see it's nice and cold, and I'll take a picture for the ad there. And as I stand here with the door fanned open, of course, it's gonna warm up a little bit. But, and I'll show you the insides and everything. So you can see it's supposed to be, I think, 36, so it's fairly accurate there. And typically you wouldn't have it set that low either. Open this up, show you right down here. And I think we have this set at -4. You can see there's your ice for the bottom ice maker. So there you go. You can see it's absolutely cold like it's supposed to be, and I'll show you real quick. You got a deep bottom drawer. You have a pull out, pretty deep second drawer. That second ice maker is right up there, and you've got a switch to turn it on and off, so you can have one on and not the other. And then up top here, you've got all your storage bins. And this thing's essentially in like new condition. There's no cracks or, no broken shelves or anything like that. Everything works perfectly. It's in excellent shape. There's an air filter that can go behind here. Water filter goes up here. This shelf's kind of cool. Pops back in case you want something taller to put on your bottom shelf here. And these are all adjustable. You've got 3 drawers here, and then this pulls out, and you can adjust the temperature as well here. So, and then you've got this guy that lifts up on the side, and these are gallon size too, so you can put a gallon of milk or whatever on the side there. And here's a shot of the tag real quick if you want to pause and read that. Also have a picture of that in the ad. And that's pretty much it. We'll go ahead and get this listed up for sale. I do these videos just so you know that, especially if you're driving a distance, if you're going to spend your money, you need to know when you get it home, plug it in, everything's going to work. That's how I like to spend my money, so that's how I like to list and sell my items. So I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks, and have a great day.